Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the exact Google account you're using. This matters because Google One links to one account only. Open the Google One app or navigate to one. Google, Com now, and sign in if prompted. Once done, locate the menu or left sidebar to access settings. This is where the toggle and subscription details live. Make sure you've noted any device backups or shared plan members. You'll need that context before turning services off or canceling a plan. Next, go to the Backups and Storage sections to stop active backups. Toggle off device backup, camera uploads, and drive sync as needed. This prevents new data from being saved while you change the plan. Then review storage usage. If you plan to cancel a paid tier, make sure your data fits the free 15 GB or move files off Google Drive. Once you've paused sync and verified storage, you're ready to manage the subscription or shared plan settings safely. To finish, open Membership or Memberships in Settings and choose Cancel Plan. Follow prompts and keep the confirmation screenshot or email. If you share the plan, remove or transfer members now to avoid access issues. Make sure billing cycles and refunds are clear. Cancellations often take effect at period end. If something goes wrong, re-sign into the account, clear the app cache or browser cookies, and try again. If that fails, contact Google Support with your confirmation and account details for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.